And last class also we have done conversion, how you will change rupees into paisa. Okay, so same topic we are doing. Conversions. You have to change here what rupees into paisa. You have to change in this conversion what rupees into paisa. Suppose you think sums is given here 0 point rupees number one sums rupees 0.05. Yes, and this thing you have to change into what? Paisa. So 0.05. So here 0 rupees is there. So answer will be here only 0 paisa equal to 0 paisa. Number 2 you think it is given 3.15 rupees. 3.15 you have to convert into what? Paisa. This one you have to convert into paisa. So as you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. What you know? That 1 rupees 1 equal to 100 paisa. So here given what? 3 rupees. So what you will do? 3 into 100. How much paisa you got here? 300 paisa. What you will write here? 300 paisa. Now 300 paisa plus 300 paisa plus 50 paisa. We will add this 300 paisa plus 15 paisa. What answer you will get here? 315 paisa. What answer you will get? 315 paisa. Okay. So it is clear to you all that how you will convert rupees into paisa. So you knowing that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 3 rupees equal to what will be there? 300 paisa. You will multiply 3 with 100. Then you can convert this 3 rupees into paisa. When you multiply this 3 into 100, what answer you are getting here? 300. So you have converted this 3 rupees into paisa. How much paisa you got? 300 paisa. Now 300 paisa plus 15 paisa. This you have to add. 300 paisa plus 15 paisa. What answer you got? 315 paisa. What answer you got? 315 paisa. Okay. So next question you can see here, that is next one is number 3 rupees 4.50 you have to convert into what? Paisa. This also you have to convert into paisa. So according to that you are knowing that one same thing, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 4 rupees equal to 4 into 100 equal to 400 paisa. What answer you got? 400 paisa. So 400 paisa plus 50 paisa. You will add this 400 paisa plus 50 paisa. What you will get? 450 paisa. What answer you got? 450 paisa. Okay, it is clear to you all. So what you have seen this question, it is given 4 rupees 50 paisa. You have to convert into what? Paisa. So you are knowing that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 4 rupees equal to, you will multiply with 100. You will get there 400 paisa. So 400 plus 50, you will get what? 450 paisa. Okay, it is clear? So next one more sum we will do. Next one is 16, 2 rupees 0 paisa or 5 rupees 30 paisa. You change here, you write here 5 rupees 30 paisa. Yes, rupees 5 rupees 30 paisa. Okay. Next question is 5 rupees 30 paisa. So what you will do here? Same process. But knowing that 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 5 equal to 5 into 100. You will get 500 paisa. Yes. What you will get? 500 paisa. So according to question, 500 paisa plus 30 paisa, when you will add, you will get 530 paisa. When you will add, what you will get? 530 paisa. Okay, it is clear? So what you are seeing in third question, it is given 5 rupees 30 paisa. You have to change into paisa. So 1 rupee is equal to how much paisa? 100 paisa. Then 5 rupees equal to 5 into 100. Answer will be 500 paisa. Okay. 500 paisa plus 30 paisa. What answer? That is 530 paisa. What answer you got? 530 paisa. Okay, it is clear to you all? Okay, again you can change other number and you can change same thing into rupees and paisa. Suppose you think it is given 2 rupees 05 paisa. Next question is 2 rupees 05 paisa into paisa. What is that? This is question number 5. Okay. So 2 rupees 05 paisa. You have to convert this into what? Paisa. What you have to do? You have to convert this question into paisa. So same thing. 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 2 equal to 2 into 100 equal to 200 paisa equal to 200 paisa. Okay. So 200 plus 0.05. 200 plus 0.05. You will add this. What you will get here? 205 paisa. What answer you will get? 205 paisa. Okay. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned more sums about how you will change rupees into paisa. More example I have given you. So last example, once again we will see what I have written there. 2 rupees 5 paisa, you have to change this into paisa. So you are knowing that 1 rupee is equal to how much paisa? 100 paisa. So according to that, you have to change now what? This 2 rupees. Okay. This 2 rupees you have to change into what? Paisa. So what you will do? You will multiply this 2 into 100. Why? Because you are knowing that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 2 you will multiply by 100. What answer you got? got after multiplying that? You got 200 paisa. What answer you got? 200 paisa. Now this 200 paisa, we will add this 0 and 5. Okay, when you will add this 200 plus 0, 5, you will get 205 paisa. What you will get? 205 paisa. So it is clear to you all, if any sums will be given to you in rupees and paisa, you can change that into paisa. Okay, with this all sums you have seen, and with this it is clear to you all. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.